What I do is go out into the field and we diagnose broken systems, fix them and repair them. We do a lot of maintenances to keep customers up to date on what's going on. We try to prevent problems from happening before they happen and things of that nature. I do get a lot of 5-star reviews. I had one customer, I went to his home and towards the end of the visit, he saw my name tag and he asked me, he said, is your name Victor Garcia? And I was like, yeah, that's me. He was like, well, I didn't know if they had more than one Victor. And he was like, I looked up your Google reviews. And he said, you've lived up to the expectations that they say in your Google reviews. They say you're very thorough, you explain everything, you're very nice. It feels pretty good. It just knows that I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, and I'm taking that extra step to give the customer the 5-star experience that we offer at Keith Lawson.